Yeah. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Wando Technology Company. So I welcome all my new subscribers to my new episode. So I've been away for a long. I'm back. Yeah. So on today's episode, I want to show you how you can send money from Ghana to Nigeria with no fee. I mean the legit way to send money from Ghana to Nigeria with no fee, because a lot of people are in Ghana doing business, online business in Nigeria, and they don't know how to do transfer from Ghana to Nigeria to their clients and business partners. So on today's episode, I want to show you the easiest way, the simple way that you can send money from Ghana to Nigeria or from Nigeria to Ghana without any fee, without paying any commission. So no time to waste. I'll go straight to my phone screen and I'll show you how you can send money from Ghana to Nigeria without paying any fee. Meet me. Pow! Yeah. So welcome to my phone screen. So I want to show you the legit and fastest way to send money from Ghana to Nigeria with no commission or no fee. So first of all, I will leave the link in my description. The app is Eversend, and before you can send money from Ghana to Nigeria, the person in Nigeria have to also download Eversend accounts and register and verify the account before you can do transaction. So after creating the account and verify the account, this is how the account looks like and how you can send your money from Ghana to Nigeria. So you enter your PIN because it's a banking system, so you only have to have access to your account. You see, I've done a lot of transfer from USA, from Uganda and things, isn't it? A lot. So this is how you do it. You go to send. Go to send, and like you click on the plus on the upper corner, upper right corner. Then you click on manually or phone book. So right now, like if you have the number on your phone, you can do it import from contacts. But let's assume you don't have the number on your phone, but you have written the number down. So this is how you do it. You write the person's first name on the app. Let's say Kaka. It's Kaka. Let's say Nigeria Dimbergra. Let's say Baba. It's Kaka Baba. Then you select the country you want to send the money to. Then you select the country, Nigeria. Then you enter the number. You enter the number, and the number must be a Nigerian number or it will not go. So this is how it is. You see, this is how it is. Then you click on continue. So you see it's right here. So you click on it. And the reason why, like, do you notice something? Let me go back and show you something. I will see that this one on the right side, the icon is blue. That means they are on Eversend. And this one is it. So I'll click on send. So it's the same money to Mickey. So he's in Nigeria. So let me see. I want to send 5,000 to the person. So the person will receive 283,000 naira, and there is no fee. Fee is 0 cedis. So let's assume I have 5,000. I want to send to someone in Nigeria. I will send 5,000 straight without paying any fee. So on this app, you will send money from Ghana to Nigeria without paying any fee. So I recommend Eversend for your African transaction. If you're in Ghana, you want to send money to someone in Nigeria or someone in Uganda, Kenya, you can use Eversend. Yeah, so I will leave the link in my description so you can check it out. Yeah, the names will remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, and if you don't understand anything, you can link me up and I will let you know some things. I'm out.